was just about to film and this came in, so I was like, why not? I will just include it in the package because I believe it's something I ordered for the kitchen. So it looks like it's small, but let's see. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Yes, I know it's a different view and I'm doing something different today. So pending the time that we resume back to work, I have decided to start reviewing on Wednesdays. So I'll be posting by the grace of God. God help me, Wednesdays and Fridays. All right, Friday is going to be for fashion and styling. Wednesday is going to be for reviewing. So by the grace of God, God help me. So that's what we're doing today. In this video, ladies, I'm going to be showing you household good items that you do not need manual to put them together. Your cleaning has never gotten better until now. So without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. So I believe in this package I have 3 things. I ordered this new pajama sets for myself. I'll probably will show you in another video. I just want to add it to my set of pajamas. And this is a rack for the kitchen towel. It's very small, but I believe it's going to work. I'll show you to see how I fix it. You don't need manual for this. It's just part of the video that I'm about to shoot, so why not? I don't know what is in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, this is the to keep your toiletries in the bathroom. Yeah, I thought it's going to be bigger than this, but I believe I will be able to use it. I'll put few of my stuff in there. You rotate when you put your stuff. Look at that. This is one of the reasons why I purchased it, because I don't want my things laying down all over on the counter. See? So I'm just going to use this for now. I have a what is it called? A makeup fridge that I brought from my previous place, and when I tried to plug it in when we moved here, it's not working anymore. So I don't know why, and I hate to leave my toiletries all over the counter. So I just wanted to look for something to use, spend the time that will make up my mind what I'm going to do about my toiletries. But I think this will work for now. I'll just fit in as many as I can fit into this, or if I can see a bigger size of this, maybe I'll probably purchase it. But other than that, that is everything that is in here. Please, ladies, if you're seeing my video for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please like this video and do endeavor to leave me comments in the comment section, and please share this video with friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. The rack for the towel, I thought it's going to be longer than this, but it's very small. Look at it right here. This can only take one towel, one kitchen towel. I believe if you want to have more than one towel to hang up on this, you have to purchase maybe another one. But the good thing about this is it does not need any manual. It came like this and it's easy to fix. You just want to hang it up on your kitchen sink, under the sink. I will show you in the videos. You all can see it, and it's very easy, so it does not need manual at all. If you're planning to use it to use more than one towel, which I do in my kitchen, I think I'm going to have to purchase more than one of these so that I can put it in places that I normally put my kitchen towels. Other than that, it's nice, it's very sturdy, and it has some kind of rubber thing, black right here. It's not magnetic, but I feel like it's rubber because it's very soft. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is this multi-layer shoe rack. It's a shoe rack that you don't even have to worry about manual to fix it up. It's just like you're putting together Lego. It's so easy and it's very sturdy. Trust me. I just purchased this in order for me to put it at behind the door at my entrance, because I do not like seeing shoes all over the floor. I don't like wearing shoes upstairs. When I'm climbing the stairs, I take off my shoes, and my family do the same thing too. That's the reason why I purchased this shoe rack. You do not need any manual to put this together. It's very easy and very affordable. All right, All these items that I'm featuring today, I think I purchased them from Temu, and if I'm able to get their links, I'll put them in the description box just in case if you're going to be interested in them. All right, the light on this decorative light, it's dimmable, and it has 3 switch, you know, the first, the second, and the third. It's just to decorate either any corner in your room or at the side, the side of your bed, or the office, or the hallway. I just put it in my bedroom, somewhere in my bedroom on top of my dresser. That's where I kept it. It's really beautiful, and this has no brainer struggling to put it together. It just came out right like that, and it's beautiful for the environment. It's so beautiful. The next item that you do not need to use manual to put together, although it came with manual, is this 360 mop and bucket. It has a wheel under it. It can rotate. That's why it's called the 360. You do not need manual to put it together. Also, it came with 6 mop heads that are very soft, and according to what I read on the description, it's microfiber. So to put it together, it came with manual, but you do not need manual to put all this together. This is how I put it together. Please watch the video and we'll continue after putting everything together. The inside of the bucket has the stainless steel. This mop bucket has wheels that can make it very easy for you to move around your house. Also, it has an handle in case you want to move it upstairs, like you're going to the upper part of your house to clean. You have to lift it through the handle, and it's very sturdy. Also, the extender, which I open up, is to extend it, and also that extender that you use to extend it is what is going to help you to rotate it when you are trying to, you know, to wring the water out of the mop head instead of using your hand normally or other kind of mopping bucket. This one is the spinning one. It's just going to help you to do the work. I enjoyed using this mop head to clean, and the most important thing is that it does not need manual to put together. It came with a manual, but I did not use the manual at all to put it together. What I will tell you though, because this is a review, the mop head, they're very soft. They said it's microfiber, so it's very soft. So you have to kind of put a little bit of pressure if you come across a stain that it's kind of stuck on the floor. When I was cleaning my dining area, I saw a piece of food on the floor. I don't know how many days it's been there. It took me a little while to take it off. I don't know, maybe because the mop head is soft, but it did the work anyway. But bottom line is you have to put a little pressure, and the pressure I even put on the mop, it does not affect it. It did not break, so it's very sturdy and very affordable too. It makes your cleaning a lot more easier. It was like fun, you know, spinning. It was fun. I enjoyed using this mop head and the mop bucket with the wheel, 360 mop bucket with the wheel. The last on my list today, it's gonna be this toilet bowl cleaner. Yes, I don't know why I forgot the name just like that. So this is so different. I've not seen this innovation before. Of course, you do not need manual to put it together. That is the reason for this video. But what I love about this is that you can easily take out it has like a jar where every water that has been accumulated when you use the brush, the brush to clean your toilet bowl, there is a perforated hose inside of it, so all the water will go down there, and you are able to take the jar out of it and dispense the water away, so you can clean it so it does not stink. That is what I love about this toilet bowl cleaner. The brush is designed in such a way that it's very easy to fit any type of toilet sizes. It's so sturdy at the same time. It looks like it's small but mighty. It did the work for me when I was using it to clean my toilets. It was wonderful, and you do not need manual to put it together. This is different, very different. Also, it came with something at the back of it if you want to stick it to the wall. I tried to stick it to my guest room wall, but it did not work. So I don't know, maybe I didn't do anything right, but I feel like there's no point hanging it on the wall because it can stay on the floor peacefully without nobody bothering it. This is really nice, and it's very affordable too. Makes your bathroom look very, very presentable. That's the word I'm looking for. All right, ladies, all these items that I present today will make your life a lot more easier. They are very, very affordable, and they do not need manual for you to put them together. Your cleaning has never gotten better until today. Ladies, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.